Alright, welcome. Today we are going to learn a few things on Excel. There is this error that normally occur or pop up that says you cannot enter values greater than 10, or the cell will not even allow you to enter anything. Now, for instance, this failed cell, that is B, I can enter anything here. Alphabet, I can enter numbers and it will work. Now let's see whether here we can enter alphabet. To not work. See, you cannot enter values greater than 10. So if I enter 10, it will work. If I enter 11, it won't work. See, you cannot enter values greater than 10. Now let's go to column B. 10, it will work. 11, it will work. 19, it will work. 20, it will work. 21, it won't work. You see? Now, type alphabet, it will not work. So, we are going to solve this problem. These columns has been intentionally set to take values or alphabets. So for instance, this cell that is here, column C. If I want column C to take values greater than 10, I'll go to the tab where I see data and I'll click on it and I'll see data validation. I'll click on it, click on data validation, and you see this is where the settings took place. So whole number, data type between 0 to 10. So if I change here to 20, and apply the changes to all other cells. You see, let me try something. Yes, it will not work. So let's apply to all other cells. So then we have apply. I'm coming. So let's see. 20. Now it will now work. First 20 wasn't working. 20 will now work. But 21 will not work. You see? 21 won't work. Yeah, 21 too will not work. But if you want the cell to take any value without that error, then this is what you do. Select that particular cell and go to data validation. Then you see down there, you see clear all. Then apply these changes to all other cells. When this happens, can work. When this happens, when you clear that, any value at all, you can take any value at all. You see, you can take any value at all. At first, you can't take any value. And when you go to column D and you try to type more than 10 or 20, it will not come. So let's try it. You see, so you need to do same for this column also. You need to do same for this before it will work. So when you go to column D, you need to go and clear all. So clear all and then OK. Clear all and then OK. When you do that, you can now type values here. You can now type, you see, now you can even take values. can now take values. So this is how you are going to deal with that error. Just go to validate and then clear all. If you want to set it, you set it to any value at all you want. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video.